What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to actually make a deposit on Pocket Options. You may have seen one of my videos on Pocket Options and you want to start making some money with a live account. So I'm going to show you guys how to upload money through Bitcoin. It's super simple and easy, and we're going to get it done in just a couple of minutes. So first things first, you want to go ahead and get your Pocket Options open. You can do this on the phone, or you can do it on a computer. Either one is fine. And first, you want to go ahead and log in. I'm already logged in. This is my live account. So I'm going to go ahead and hit live. And we're going to go ahead and go to top up. This is how you add money to the account. Go to top up. All right. And it's letting you know there's a deposit bonuses that may be available for you. The thing with the deposit bonuses, when you get bonuses, is great and it gives you more money to trade with, but you actually have to make a certain amount of money to actually retrieve the money from the bonus. So, for example, if you make $100 and you got $100 bonus, you actually have to make more than $100 in profits to actually get that bonus off. So, if you do receive a bonus, just know that you have to make more profits to actually get it off. I want to give you guys a heads up with that. So we're going to go ahead and upload some money via Bitcoin. The cool part about all of this is they accept Coinbase, Litecoin, and all these other different cryptocurrencies. So if you guys have other wallets, that's super easy to go ahead and transfer over the money. But today we're going to go ahead and use Bitcoin. So go ahead and open up your Bitcoin. I got my Bitcoin right here, and I'm going to go ahead and it says the minimum deposit is $10. I'm going to go ahead and put 50 on here. All right. As far as the promo codes, I'm actually not going to use a promo code. I don't need to use a promo code at this point. I can just trade, make my money in withdrawals. So if you do, like I said, use a promo code, then they do give you extra funds to trade with. So I'm going to go ahead and go to continue. All right, so deposit $50 via Bitcoin. So this is a pretty simple part. So all we need to do from here is go ahead and copy the address right down here. So when we copy that address, that's going to be the address that we actually put into our Cash App, and then we'll go ahead and transfer it over. So now that we got the address copy, we're going to go ahead and exit this screen and go to Cash App. So boom, there's my Cash App. All right, so I already have money on my Bitcoin, so that's going to make it super easy. If you don't have money from Bitcoin, you can just actually purchase Bitcoin. So you can actually just go right here and buy some Bitcoin and get it in your wallet. Luckily, I already have some Bitcoin in here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just send it to the address that we got from Pocket Options. All right, so I want to go ahead and send $50, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. Super simple. Just make sure you copy the correct address and paste it over there so you won't send it to the wrong person. They do all the calculations for you so you don't have to worry about doing all the math. Go ahead and put in the PIN. All right, and there's a confirmation right there. So we're going to go ahead and confirm and send. Okay, so that should be it. You see that the funds went off of my Bitcoin, and then we just go back to Pocket Options. And it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to upload. So you just have to wait a little bit and check back on it in a couple minutes. And after that, your account should be uploaded, ready to go, and ready to trade live. So if you guys have any questions about this video, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate everybody that's joined me on this trading journey. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. You know, whatever videos you guys want to see more of, just go ahead and send them to me. Whatever tutorials, whatever educational indicator videos, whatever you guys looking for, just let me know in the comment section. And on that note, I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a great day.